Ever dreamed of becoming a voice actor but felt overwhelmed by where to start? You're not alone. The world of voice acting is both thrilling and competitive, but with the right guidance, you can turn your passion into a career. Yuri Lowenthal and Tara Platt, seasoned voice actors with decades of experience in video games, animation, and commercials, share their insider tips to help you break into the industry. Here's their playbook for success, expanded with insights to make your journey clearer and more actionable. 1. Master the art of acting. First Voice isn't just about a great voice. It's about acting. Whether you're on stage, screen, or behind a microphone, the core remains the same. Understanding the script, crafting a character, and making bold choices. But here's where it gets controversial. Some believe a natural voice is enough, but Yuri and Tara stress that acting training is non-negotiable. Take classes, join a theater group, or even film your own projects with friends. The goal? Fall in love with the craft, because your imagination is your greatest tool. 2. Use your body, even if no one sees it. Voice acting isn't just about your voice, it's about your entire body. And this is the part most people miss. Physicality adds depth to your performance, even if only the director and engineer see it. A fight scene in a video game? Let your body mimic the intensity. Break a sweat, make bold movements. Your audience may not see it, but they'll feel it. Just remember, no hitting the microphone. 3. Live a life worth acting out. Interesting people make interesting actors. Here's a bold statement. Acting classes alone won't cut it. Fill your life with experiences that excite and challenge you. Travel, learn a new skill, or dive into hobbies that spark your curiosity. These experiences will enrich your performances, giving them a unique flavor that sets you apart. 4. Be the person everyone wants to work with. Kindness and professionalism go a long way in this industry. Here's a thought-provoking question. How often do you think talent alone gets someone rehired? The truth is, being easy to work with, understanding the collaborative nature of projects, and respecting everyone's role can make you a go-to choice for casting directors. 5. Become a master reader. Most voice acting happens in a booth, script in hand. But here's the twist. You need to sound like you're not reading. Practice reading aloud daily, focusing on fluency and naturalness. The goal. Make it seem like you've known those lines your whole life, even if it's your first time seeing them. Join the booth. Your voice is your superpower. As Yuri and Tara put it, your voice is unique. There's no real competition when you let it shine. So take these steps, embrace the journey, and raise your voice. The booth is waiting. Controversial question for you. Do you think acting training is essential for voice acting, or can natural talent carry you through? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. Yuri Lowenthal, known for voicing Peter Parker in Marvel's Spider-Man games, and Tara Platt, whose credits include Yuri Watanabe, Rafe in the same series, have just launched their new course, Voiceover Voice Actor. The course. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up, their insights are a game changer. Ready to start? Get out there and make your voice heard.